Day 5 of my CES Success Series dedicated to helping foreign entrepreneurs going to the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas this year. Now, today we're addressing a common challenge for anyone whose native language is not English, and that's dealing with language barriers when communicating with Americans at the CES or in English in general. You know, it's gonna be noisy. There are going to be lots of people, and hey, Americans speak fast. Let's say it sounds fast. So it's not ideal conversation conditions, but today I want to give you 3 practical tips that you can use to enhance your communication skills, and I would say try to understand as best you can right there on the spot. Now, first, let's focus on the nonverbal cues. You know, in a busy, noisy environment like CES, paying close attention to body language and facial expressions is more crucial than usual. If someone is discussing a product and gestures towards it, those visual clues can help you understand the context, even if you miss some keywords. So really keep an eye out for these subtle yet informative signals, and even more so than you would do in your native language or in a quiet conversation. Use those helpers, those visual cues, to understand the conversation. Next, it's the power of repetition and paraphrasing. If you are unsure about what was said, simply repeat or paraphrase what you understood to the best of your ability. Use phrases like, "So if I understand correctly, you're interested in..." And this not only clarifies the conversation, but also ensures that you are on the same page without needing any kind of advanced preparation. And finally, managing the conversation pace. You know, in the hustle and bustle of CES, it's okay to ask someone to slow down or to repeat something. You want to have some useful phrases like, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Say that again." Or just, "What was that again?" These are different ways of asking, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" but in a more natural way. And most people, you know, once they realize that you're having difficulty understanding, they're happy to accommodate you. And I mean, to be honest, even native speakers are going to have problems understanding each other the first time just because of the noise. It's intense. And, you know, it's hard to really connect in those conditions. So do your best. And, you know, no pressure to understand everything the first time around. Remember, being open about your challenges with your language, the fact that English is not your native language, that it's a noisy environment, all of that is perfectly fine. I mean, most people at CES, they're understanding and patient, I imagine. So your honesty and your effort to communicate effectively can even become a point of connection. So embrace that. Embrace these tips, and you'll find that making meaningful connections at CES can become much less stressful. So good luck with that. Let your language skills shine at the show. And if you are coming back for next week. No, it's tomorrow's topic, which is leveraging the power of social media during your time at CES. So subscribe to my profile, and we'll talk about that tomorrow.